Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you the unboxing of the JAXWQ stud finder wall scanner 5-in-1 stud detector. It's got a HD LCD display and as well as 24-month warranty, which is stated here on the box. And let's see what comes out of it. So we've got a 9-volt battery here. And the stud finder here itself, as well as some instructions that came in the box. It has a stud finder capability, metal and AC live wire detector as well. So all that is included. Here we're able to access the battery port. Once we can open the 9-volt battery. Okay, now we press the on-off button here. It's got a button here on the side to be able to work the display. I don't know if you guys can see it well with the camera, maybe not. But I'll try to demonstrate on an actual wall. So that's kind of the gist of what's inside the box. So by pressing the button here, you're able to switch modes. So right now it's in the stud 1.5-inch mode. This is metal finder, wire, live wire detector, and then it goes back to 1/2-inch stud finder, 1-inch stud finder, and 1.5-inch stud finder. So for my purposes, I'm going to go with the 1/2-inch and do some scanning on the wall. So here I'm going to demonstrate what it looks like on an actual wall. Turned it on. Again, I'm in the 1/2-inch stud finder. Pressing the button. I'm moving it at the side. Here we go. We hit the edge of the stud and then the other edge, and it just gave us a, there we are. There's the center. Seems to be pretty good. Let's see if we can switch modes, see if we can find any wires. Right now I'm in live wire mode. As you can see, I'm pretty close to an outlet. As I come up, move close, pretty close to the outlet, giving me the warning. As I move away, it stops giving me the error. So overall, this is a pretty good budget stud finder with multiple functionalities. Definitely has a lot of good features. I definitely recommend it. For the price, I'd give it a 9 out of 10. It's definitely worth it to have it in the home, especially if you're going to be putting screws into the wall, and doing some home projects. So if you'd like to get your own, please follow the link in the description below. That way you'll be supporting my channel as well. So thank you for watching.